fans, and welcome back to another video here on the Rusty Boxcar channel. This morning Adam and I went out and caught the Tennessee Central Railway Museum's Christmas excursion train, one of the ones that they run. They run them twice on Saturdays throughout the season. So we'll show that to you here. We caught up with it at the Hermitage Station, so I hope you guys enjoy. Thanks for watching this video. I really hope you enjoyed it. If you did, click on the thumbs up below to give us a like. Also, please click on the Rusty Boxcar logo on the right side of the screen to get a subscription to the channel. And send us a comment. Really enjoy reading all your comments, and I try to respond to each one of them. Thanks, and have a nice day.